Hello children, good morning. Yesterday we have learned a new number 17. And today we are going to do the activity and revision of number 17.
Which number is this? Yes, this is number 17. Children, now we will do the counting. What is this? These are leaves and flowers. We will do the counting of numbers with these leaves and flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. We have counted 17 leaves. Now we will count the flowers. What is the color of the flowers? Pink. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Let's do an activity of number 17. In this activity, this is the rice and these are small thermocol balls. We will make number 17 using these thermocol balls. First, we will make number 1. 1, 7, 17. For that, we will make number 1. We will keep these small thermocol balls slowly on the rice. Look children, we are making a standing line. For number 1, we have made one standing line. Now we will make number 7. For number 7, first we will make a sleeping line. Like this, slowly we will put the balls and make the sleeping line. Look children, we have made the sleeping line. And now we will make the slanting line. Children, you can do this activity at your home also. Look, we have made slanting line. 1, 7, 17. This is standing line, sleeping line and slanting line. 1, 7, 17.
Now let's solve the worksheet.
In this worksheet, children, you have to count and color the kites. Look, children, I have colored my kites and I have also colored the number given below. I hope you all have done the same way.
Thank you, children. I hope you all have enjoyed and will do the revision at home. Bye.